mga sis! Mag-morning walk lang kami, then punta kaming grocery mamaya.
And then
you have to return it?
No, you can keep it. This is a real story in France.
Fresh flowers. At hindi na nga makapag-antay ang kuya nyo, kinain na ang baget. You make me cappuccino, 1 shot espresso, and full of milk. Huh? You know what to do when we arrive home.
And syrup and cocoa in it, huh?
Yeah, because I'm.
You're like going to Starbucks, but I'm your Starbucks, huh? And you're your passenger princess.
And it's free.
It's free. It's from me. It's free. It's from husband pocket, huh?
What is that? It's legal here.
Yeah, but
Marijuana
only if it's really, really, really little. He stole all the books.
And look at that.
We'll have each of us will grab one end of half.
Andito na kami sa grocery para bumili ng ingredients sa mango graham cake na gagawin namin. Talagang nagdala ako ng mango at graham galing sa Pinas. Lagi talaga akong naielib pag nag-grocery kami. Tignan nyo yung wine section, halos isang corner siya ng grocery, tapos punong-puno ng wine. Kung ako, parang di ko kayang tikman isa-isa yung mga wine dito. Ang dami. Nakakatuwa. Tingnan nyo, ang dami oh. Parang walang katapusan.
This is expensive water. You want juice?
No.
No juice, nothing. It's from Philippines.
Oh yeah, I saw that before. Buti nakahanap ako ng gata pang chicken curry. Yes, will be enough.
You like this something?
I don't know.
Sausages.
You have to cook it? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll try. That one is better. It has fats. Don't pay attention. That's
You're the one.
Ayun na nga, kakalibot namin, nakalimutan namin yung bibilin namin, kaya grocery ulit.
Look, it's taller than you, so I can spot you from far away. You small kid. You're my small kid.
Now, I have one on my cart.
Yeah. Salut.
No, I don't like you. Tamang-tama lang sa akin yung cart, pambata yan. Ayoko kasing magbitbit. Kaya siguro ang tagal na ng relasyon namin ni fiancé kasi parehas kaming isip bata. Charot. Pagkasama ko siya, hindi ko na kailangan magpanggap. Kung ano ako, yun na ako. I'm spoiled.
Yeah, you're spoiled, Shoni, huh?
But you had a nice lunch. So I deserve.
Thick at all, this one.
Oh, not thick at all.
Not
This one
thick
is
at all.
little thick.
Yeah, it's half thick.
Okay, 2. And chocolate donut.
And sweetened.
Yeah, 2 sweet and 2 not sweet.
Eating only milk product.
Cream.
You have to keep this Shoni
Condensed.
so I can follow you and spot you from far away.
Ginto yung mga makeup dito. Tapos hindi uso sa kanila yung mga 50% off sale.
Yeah, second the major one.
It's It's okay.
Oh, it's okay?
Kailangang isoli yung cart pagkatapos gamitin.
It cost me like 70 euro today.
You know what I bought? I only bought milk and condensed, and that's all. And everything you put in there is yours. Tawang-tawa talaga ako habang nagbo-voice over ako. Nagdala talaga ako ng mango tsaka ng graham kasi walang graham dito. Tapos yung mga mangga dito, hindi sila kasing tamis ng sa atin sa Pinas. Ayan, yung nabili naming cream, sobrang labnaw. Kaya hindi siya mukhang kaaya-aya. Nag-try kami. Trinay namin yung best namin sa paggawa ng mango graham cake. Ang ending, masarap naman. Masarap siya basta na-refrigerate na. Ayun. Nakakatawa. Nakakatawa yung itsura ng ginawa namin. Hindi siya mukhang masarap yung itsura niya, pero pag tinikman naman, okay naman. Masarap naman siya. Ayun lang mga sis. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe next time ulit.